Chuck, and this is Great Kids Go Camping. We've been camping a bunch of times. And there's a special day about this because today is my friend Haley's birthday. We are going to be staying more than one day actually. The last 2 times we've been camping we stayed one day, and we are ready to go 3 days camping. We and our friends Bobby and them, I think we're almost there. Well. Hey, I've got sunglasses! Callie. Hello! She's been talking a lot lately. Okay, we're here now. Now we're gonna go walk down to our friend's campsite to sing happy birthday to our friend Haley.
Ready, Em? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Haley. Happy birthday to you. Woo! What's your hair? Oh boy. Wow. All right. He got one. Go, Gatlin. Push it. All right, Em.
Tickles. Yeah.
He'll make a mess of his. He'll push it all the way down.
What are you doing? Really? Kylie. You're so funny.
It is day 2 and we are gonna go feed some ducks right now.
You gotta throw it down pretty far, guys. Give him a little piece, Em. Good job.
You go! You see any more? Hey, Dad! I said you better make sure you better come back. You better make sure you come back soon. Okay, now we are going to do a walk. We're gonna go for a walk. I have my Joanna with me, and I have my mom over there behind the camper. Yeah, I am getting red. No. You see that camper right there? That is Friend's camper. Here, I'll go down here and put a look of it. That is their camper. There's my drawings. Oh, we actually colored some blocks in it. If you guys want colored number 21, then you're gonna come here, and then you better come before it rains. Hey guys, I'm making a house. I have marshmallows and no, mine too. No, I'm gonna do it, Mommy. Hi everybody, I'm doing Mario.
You're making Mario?
Mario Odyssey, yeah, Mario Odyssey.
Mario Odyssey.
Yeah, Mario Odyssey, yeah. Look, I put it real, and then I put like 9 want to make like a fence, like this.
A fence.
It's like a tent. It's gonna be like a tent, like how those things like that holds the tent up.
Oh, yes. This is a fun activity to do when you're bored. Show me your hands. How did you do that?
Sam Edward Scissorhands.
What were you doing?
Okay guys, so you see this fidget spinner? I'm gonna count to 20 and you better hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. 3 things, just like how there's 3 sides on this fidget spinner. So, I'm gonna count to 20 and you better hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did you hit them? Good. We're about to get on our friend's boat. We gotta put life jackets. So, we're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1. We're on the boat right now. It is so windy right now. We're going like super fast.
Did you like it, Emmett?
I think if it was ever time to sit down, like,
How was it?
It's good.
What'd you think?
I want to do it again.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
Was it not a little scary?
No.
It didn't scare you when you fell?
I gotta tell you, it scared us.
It scared Mommy.
No, you just get on. Let's go for a ride and find a swimming hole real quick where everybody can get in. The brothers want to get in too. It don't mean nothing, dude. Get in that water.
You guys stand up and jump.
Someone get me in there.
What? Come here. Okay, come to you.
Do it again, Daddy, do it again.
Do it again, do it again.
Caitlin. Hello.
Welcome to the water.
Go, Toby.
Got a long boat up there.
Come on.
Kylie. Can you wave? Kylie. You like it? She's laughing. Uh-oh.
I got my hot dog on this stick. He is now trying to do it. Oh my God. Careful. I just need chocolate. So that's good. Okay, wait, okay. And I have two on mine.
Don't touch the wood.
Okay guys, we are now at a different campsite. We're at my friend's campsite. And I'm going to show you all my friends right now. That one right there is Teresa. That one's Bobby. That one's Haley. That one's Kelvin. And that one's Bretman. Okay, you're on YouTube.
Like roll up
I thought that was my phone. I was like, is that the same one?
Yeah.
Hey, Kelvin. Kelvin, you're on YouTube.
Oh man, what's up? Gang, bro. I can't say gang to the kids. Like, not gang, bro. What's up, Emmett? Can I rap? Can I rap on your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Give me a beat. Make a beatbox. Just give me like a simple like. Hey. We out here in the campground. And I'm out here chilling with Emmett. About to go up in this beat. And I'm like, let's get it.
Ooh. Fire! Kelvin and Haley and Bretman and then hello.
What's up, dude? S'mores. You didn't get. Come on, you gotta get a video of me doing a s'more. Come on. We gotta do a s'more. We gotta do a s'more tutorial. You ready?
I'm already videoing.
Yeah. First, you get a stick. You get a stick.
No, you don't get it.
Stick. Number 1. Marshmallow 2.
That's what you do. And first you get the graham, then you get the marsh.
Yeah.
No, then you get the mellow, and
Yeah.
that way I can't remember for now.
Yeah. Then you get the chocolate, and then you put it, and you put it on the fire.
Chocolate in the fire, you get the
Yeah.
marshmallow in the fire. Hello, beast.
Yeah.
Marshmallows.
Boom. That's it. We did it. Then you take the marshmallow. You take the marshmallow. You put it between the cracker. You squish it out. Shoom. You put it in the middle, and then you have a s'more.
You didn't even put the marshmallow.
I just want to eat the s'more by itself.
It's Father's Day, and this is the day we're leaving. And before we leave, we're probably gonna leave at lunchtime. But before we leave, it's Father's Day, so we're gonna give Daddy our cards and spray them with City Street. Let's do this. Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day, Dad! Hey guys, so we are back home now. Really? Why in the video? See you guys next video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. So never miss another video over Kids Play.